love bugs, welcome back to my channel. Time to get into part 2 of my first unboxing. Remember, this is my first video, so please be nice, love bugs, and don't forget to subscribe. Next, a few things that I picked up at the Sephora sale a few weeks ago when it was happening that I was dying to get my hands on.
If you are Rouge, you can shop now. It's like 20%. Is 20% off. So I went to Sephora at JCPenney because I love them so much, and I picked up these Tarte Cosmetics brushes. I have been dying to get these, but my daughter like touched the box. She just touched the whole box. So anyway, I've been dying to get these, and they were $44 on sale for $29, and then with the sale they were 20% off the $29. So that's a good deal if you love brushes. Tarte makes some great brushes, so I would say this is a good buy to pick up. And I also picked up the Tarte Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, the Love, Trust, and Fairy Dust. Yay! So I want to be fast, but let's look at some of this. Let me know if you want swatches. I usually don't do swatches unless I'm in the store because then I destroy the pretty. I destroy all of the prettiness. Look at this. So gorgeous. So pretty. It smells so good. I love the way Tarte, Mac, and Kylie smells. Can I say them all together? I don't care. But it smells so good. It's really good. And then what else do we have here? The brushes. Let's take a look see at these brushes. I need to look at them because for all I know, they're not in here. I just want pretty things and a pair of wings. Yeah, I do. Pretty things. Not a lot of cash, but let's look at this. Look at that. So pretty. Like, oh my goodness. Like, I wanted the mermaid. I'm not gonna talk. Or should I talk? I don't know. I wanted the mermaid brushes, but I was like, I really didn't like the fan of them. I still might get them if I can find them on sale. But these are so pretty. I think I need to like grab another pair. A pair for like using and a pair to not use because I'm a hoarder. So that's it for that. Moving right along. I gotta do something with my hands, like crop them out or something, because I don't know, they're like out of control at this point.
Next, I'm going to unbox some items from Kylie Cosmetics, and the giveaway that I'm talking about is already over, but there will be more.
Giveaway right now on my page, and you can get some cool items from her birthday collection, so check it out. Look, check it out. All right, so let's see what I got. Kylie card, birthday. Oh yes, the keychain. I live for anything free, so I am so obsessed with this keychain, and it is so cute. Oh, and it matches the little stuff that I got from over there. Okay, and we have the pressed highlighter, champagne showers. Very gorgeous. And also 2 lipsticks and Flirtini and August. I got Flirtini, I can't remember the shade, it was like really pretty, in August because it's my daughter's birthday. I think I'm gonna do some swatches of this stuff, maybe if you guys want, on my Instagram. So make sure you are following me. Oops. And another keychain, so I can have one for backup. And then we have the very gorgeous birthday eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna open it. Sipping pretty. I need to be sipping right now. Yeah. This doesn't smell like anything. It's always sad when I can't get any smells. So it doesn't smell like anything, but very, 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 look, I blacked myself out. Very pretty palettes. These shades are, some of these shades are shades I would do all the time. I live for I live for kind of like all these. I'm not a matte person. I'm getting into, like, you know, doing my shadows and learning how to work with them.
I have more packages coming up from Kylie Cosmetics when there is a sale. I don't know how to act.
Bougie lip kit, cinnamon lip gloss, glamour lip gloss, and the Court French Kiss, and then also the Court press palette, the pink one. And then I also have one more lip kit, which is Autumn. I believe I got these when she did a sale in maybe June or something, like buy one get one free. Yeah, she did buy one get one free, I think. And then I got that, and I was dying to get my hands on this because it was like so gorgeous. And I picked this up. So again, swatches of these. Oh, it looks like it's a little damaged. See, you should open. I gotta open my stuff sooner. That way I'll know if it's damaged or not. Very pretty colors. And let me know if you guys want swatches. I will do them.
More Kylie Cosmetics love bugs. I picked up so much because she had a great sale going on during National Lipstick Day.
This was National Lipstick Day, and I think these were like $10 or something. So I have the Lovesick Raspberry Charlotte, Troublemaker, and Vacay from the summer collection. Yeah. So some more goodies. Yeah, I think it was like that came to $40 and for all 4 of these. And we have the Autumn lip kit. I got 2 Autumn lip kits. What the fuck? What is wrong with me? I ordered 2. Guys, this one might be in the giveaway. I legit ordered 2 and didn't even know it. Like, what? I got 2. I might have to do something about this. I can't believe I have 2. That's so crazy. Mary Jo K, which I've been wanting since like forever, but I'm like, it's just red. I'm not going to waste my money on just red, but I think they were buy one, get one free again. And then Holly Berry. This is like the shade. I live in this mauvey, brownish.
And lastly, for this part of the unboxing video, I'm going to open up my Sephora Play. And thank you so much again for watching. And please subscribe to my channel. Again, I promise the videos will get much better.
I'm gonna hurry up. Yeah, it's going to be a part 2, part 3, part 4, part 7, because there's no way. Like, if you knew what was sitting over here, no way I'm going to get through all of this in like 5 minutes. I want this video to be like 5 minutes. Okay, so Sephora Play is $10 a month. You always get these 50 Beauty Insider points to use into the store. I never freaking use them because I always order stuff online from Sephora because I'm Rouge and I have that free 2-day shipping, and I never use them, and I really need to use them. Their point system kind of blows, but they just did some updates to it, so hopefully it gets better because yeah, it blows. So I do need to take it in to get my points. This bag is freaking adorable. It says back to beauty school, and I love it, and I need to go back to beauty school. I am a beauty school dropout. Remember that NYX palette that was like beauty school dropout? That's me in like real life. I was like so obsessed. So let's see what I got. I don't know what month this is. Oh, this is August. This is August, guys. And it's August, so this is my August box. Yay! So we got some Quay hair care, some shampoo, and some conditioner. I've heard so many good things about that. Some Makeup Forever lipsticky. Heard so much good things about Living Proof, a multitasking styler, so this would be good to try. And also Origins retexturing mask with rose clay. Please take that smile off. That smile was horrible. I've been loving one of their cleansers that I'm going to talk about for my August favorites. So I can't wait to try this. And Hoola bronzer, which is a classic bronzer. So that is a good box. Good box for the month. See, that's, and I love these little baggies that you get. I live for the bags. Guys, there's something else in here. Holy shit. Oops. Holy smacks. A Anastasia of Beverly Hills clear brow gel, which I need because I do not have one. Does it smell like? It smells like something kind of weird, but I don't know. I always sniff stuff. I want to know if it smells like chemically, or if it smells like I want to.
Thanks again, love bugs, for checking out this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.